Dear friends, in previous video we see computer system architecture. Today we see in this video operating system structure. In myself, Patwari DN, working as lecturer in Sri Shivaji College, Parbhani. In this video we have to study operating system structure. As in previous videos we discuss computer system organization and architecture. We also see what is operating system. Operating system provide environment within which programs are executed internally. Operating systems vary greatly in their makeup since it is organized by different programmers on different lines. One of the most important aspect of operating system is ability to multi-program. A single program cannot keep either in CPU or IO devices busy all the times so single users frequently use multiple programs running. So this multi-programming increases CPU utilization by organizing jobs. Job is nothing but combination of code and data so that CPU always has one to execute. This idea is as follows: that operating system keeps several jobs in the memory simultaneously. Main memory is as small it cannot accommodate all jobs, but those jobs kept initially on the disk in the form of a job pool, that is collection of jobs. This pool consists of all processes residing on the disk awaiting allocation of the main memory. The set of jobs in the memory can be a subset of jobs kept in the job pools. Pool means queue. Operating system picks and begins to execute one of the jobs in memory. The job may have wait for some task such as completion of some IO input output operation. In non-multi-programmed systems, CPUs sit idle, non-working. But in multi-programmed system, operating system switches to and execute another job. When that job needs to wait, the CPU again switches to another job. And so on this process gets continue for making processor busy. Eventually the first job finishes waiting, gets CPU back to attend that job. As long as at least one job needs to execute, CPU never become idle or non-working. This idea is common in other life situations also. A lawyer does not work only on one client at a time, but while one case is waiting to go to trial or have papers typed, lawyer can work on